This gentleman has got an unusual addiction. He says that he loves SADZA.
So this lady is addicted to sweets. She takes an average of 180 in 24 hours.
180 sweets.
Yes.
Yes, my jelly babies, nema wine gums.
Khoma zina.
This man says he takes over 10 liters of opaque beer, Chibuku, for the past 20 years.
Per wiki.
Per day. He is saying he takes over 10 liters per day.
Zvinoita.
Can that be possible?
10 liters a day. Mascara.
Huh?
Ziko vanhu vese vawadza vakapiwa kadai uchisenza muchokwadi panwa kuda urukure.
Ladies and gentlemen, kwa Prophet Makandiwa 2 weeks ago, people were being delivered from addictions. And when I talk about addictions, my addictions are weird. My addictions are on screen, which we are going to show more video, and I give my thoughts, my 2 cents on that. Of course, my 2 cents is valuable. Sometimes it sounds like 2,000 or 2 million because mandiri munobuda uchenjeri, munobuda wisdom. That's why I focus on things that really, really matter. My addictions are not siyana, my addictions in alcohol, my addictions in food. That's why when I get obese, I love eating. And she wonders why she wonder why she's not losing weight. It's a result of addiction yake, because for every action there's a consequence. The more you eat, the more you get fat. So no more addiction, it's actually an addiction, and they get thin and thin and thin and thin, and they wonder why they are thin. Addiction kutamba snooker. All the time they are just playing snooker, and they wonder why they don't have better ideas in their life, why they are not working, why they are not doing something productive in their life. Unofunga sei kana musoro mako mungori nemabhora, unongofunga ndori tsinga sei. My addictions, yeah, akasiyana. So we are going to play this video, and then I will tell you zvandoda kutaurawo zvema addiction, but not mungoziva my addiction, they are real and weird, and unogona kunge utori ne-addiction itori harmful to you, but you actually don't know that this is a harmful addiction.
This gentleman has got an unusual addiction. He says that he loves SADZA to the extent that his wife, even if she cooks rice, she says, cook another pot for me. He's even in danger in his marriage.
That's right.
Let us say.
Doctor akatoti ndaipa diet ikaisisa azvikuramba.
But they don't know kasadzi.
But SADZA is nice.
Azvisi right.
Huh? Mauroti panzara. Ne? Pana asingadi usadza re vana.
Is there anybody who doesn't enjoy SADZA here?
Pana anofarira usadza here.
Is there anybody who likes SADZA here?
Jena.
The white one.
Eh? Reururai mpone. Vangana rufunga sadza pana.
How many are thinking of SADZA here?
Eh? Norida.
Beloveds.
Nechima. Bora.
Beloved with what? With what relish?
Aiwa. Bora jigai meg.
That you can eat by yourselves.
All right.
Just watch your screens, people of God.
All right. It's fine.
My mother here.
Apara chakaipa.
There's nothing
Chakona
wrong.
kungotewo apa nepapa.
Yes, here and there, here and there.
Anzi.
So this lady is addicted to sweets. She takes an average of 180 in 24 hours.
180 sweets.
Yes.
Yes, my jelly babies, nema wine gums.
Khoma zina nakuora wani.
But your teeth are not rotten?
Hangoori, but ndinototse izvozvi muno muchechi ndatodya 3 packets dzema original wine gums.
3 masweets.
Mapackets. But kana ndiri kumba ndinodya about 180. Zvekuti nezuro chaindakatotuma mwana mutown kuti ndonotengera masweets majelly babies aya akatomashaiwa, but ndinotovigira baba vanto ndinotomaviga kuti vasamaone ndinotomaisa mudhorowa.
I have to hide them so that my husband doesn't see them.
You can hear that as the man of God is praying for people in front, even people in the auditorium are receiving their healing.
angari veshuga vese vamaswitsi waya anga abangarirwa kunoko switi yobva yazvinzwa iri kuko.
And then the sweet feels it all the way over there.
Just look at that, people of God. Come on, let's celebrate Jesus, people of God.
That the daughter is manifesting there as the mother is explaining what's happening to her. There is the daughter.
It's over. It's over. Ah.
He is saying he takes over 10 liters per day.
Ah, zvinoita here.
Can that be possible?
10 liters a day. Mascara.
Huh?
10 liters. And I make it daily. And I tell me I don't stop or do right.
10 liters, 10 liters munoziziva.
You really know 10 liters?
10 liters.
It's got 2 liters, 1 liter, you don't get 2 liters. So
Yeah.
I take 5. Daily.
5.
5 mascards. Daily.
If you look at his body habitus,
Yeah.
you wouldn't believe it.
Eh?
Zotoshamisa vanhu vakawanda kuti ndinoenda pai lero rezinero zvondinetsa.
That's what most people are surprised about. They wonder where the beer is going.
Munaiwana kupo mari rakachipa zido.
Where do you get this money? Is it cheap?
Pamascard ema 2 for 3, $2 are 3.
Okay.
So I spend something like $6 every day, 10 liters.
Yay. Unomuziva?
You know him?
It's true, Baba. I know that guy.
Oh.
Yes, I know him.
Maka
7 o'clock, most of the time when I drive to Glenview, he'll be holding his card. I know him very well.
Oh.
Yes.
He's free now. This one is free. You're okay now. Thank you so much, sir, for coming out and desiring to be free. And freedom is here. It doesn't matter Guti, this problem has been there for how long. Once you have come to Jesus, it's over. It's done. You see, the moment I start praying for most of these people, their breathing changes. Instantly, you notice changes, you notice reactions. That's how God's power works. When it gets into your body, there will always be a manifestation of some sort. A manifestation of some sort. Some people, I pray for them, you see a physical manifestation that everyone can see, but some, you might not see it because it's very, very brief. It's minor. But if you have been in this field for long enough, you know he has already been touched by God. You know this is what God has touched him. You know this is what God has touched him. There will always be something. If you ask most of these people, they will tell you,
Just felt something.
movement
Just felt a slight
it
movement.
happens. Huh?
Just watch your screens. Just look even at the way that he's breathing. Just look at that.
See. And I want to ask God,
I want you to buy a card as you leave this place.
muzondiudza
And then you
Ndamutenga
let me know.
favorite yenyu.
Go and buy your favorites.
Favorite.
Your favorites.
This man,
Yeah.
he has got an
Testimony, yeah?
unusual...
Fundisa musoda kutengera dorera.
Pastor, don't you want to buy beer for this man?
This
We have a
man-
testimony
yes.
here, Father.
I
My
do all
sister
this.
here was delivered. You prayed for her, and when we spoke to her, she said there is always some beer in her car. So we went to the car to look for the beer, and apparently we got this bottle. She was mainly addicted to Zambezi, and she calls this one.
Rema musodziwa mubatira akariita.
And look at the man of God, the way that he's holding it.
She says this one is the lighter one. They call it Dororema baby, not for a level.
And they
She
call
would
this
drink
one.
the stronger one, the Zambezi. So this one, we asked her to test. She can say it for herself. How are you feeling, my sister?
Huh? Hakutsva futi. Ha.
She started in 2006. She would drink every day
My
and
sister,
would not be able to
you are
control
free. The
herself.
problem is gone. You are free. It will never bother you again.
She's literally sweating.
Oh my God.
This gentleman has got an unusual addiction. He says that he loves yeSADZA to the extent that his wife, even if she cooks rice, she says, cook another pot for me. He's even in danger in his marriage.
Kurakaipei license. Eh?
It's right.
Let us say.
Doctor akatoti ndaipa guys azvikuramba.
But ronaka kasadzi.
But Sadza is nice.
Hazvisi right.
Huh? Mauroti panzara ke. Ne? Pana asingadi kusadza ere vana.
Is there anybody who doesn't enjoy Sadza here?
Pana anofarira kusadza ere.
Is there anybody who likes Sadza here?
Jena.
The white one.
Eh? Reururai mpone. Vangani vari kufunga sadza pana.
How many are thinking of Sadza here?
Eh? Munorida.
You love it.
Nechima. Bora.
You love it with what? With what relish?
Aiwa. Bora jikaimega.
That you can eat by yourself.
All right.
Just watch your screens, people of God.
All right. It's fine.
My mother here,
Apara chakaipa.
There's nothing
Chakona
wrong.
kungotewo apa nepapa, apa nepapa.
Just here and there, here and there.
Hanzi.
so this lady is addicted to sweets. She takes an average of 180 in 24 hours.
180 sweets.
Yes.
Yes, jelly babies wine gums.
Koma zina anakuora wani.
But your teeth are not rotten.
Hangoori, but ndinototse izvozvi muno muchechi ndatodya 3 packets original wine gums.
3 masweets.
Mapackets. But kana ndiri kumba ndinodya about 180. Zvekuti nezuro chandakatotuma mwana mutown kuti ndonotengera masweets jelly babies aya. Akatomashaiwa but ndinotovigira baba vantu ndinotomaviga kuti vasamaone ndinotomaisa mudrawer.
I have to hide them so that my husband doesn't see them.
You can hear that as the man of God is praying for people in front, even people in the auditorium are receiving their healing.
Angari weshuga vese vamasweets waya. Anga bangarirwa kunoku. Sweet yobva yazvinzwa iri ku.
And then the sweet feels it all the way over there.
Just look at that, people of God. Come on, let's celebrate Jesus, people of God.
That the daughter is manifesting there as the mother is explaining what's happening to her. There is the daughter.
It's over. It's over.
Anyway, you have watched the video and there is a guy wamaona ane in addiction yekubheja. Mvese yanzi ari kubheja, ari kubheja, ari kutotengesa zviyi, ari kutamba njuga, ari kutamba makasa. Though one of the most harmful addictions, and when I was staying in South Africa, I saw white people, coloreds, Xhosas, because kune makasino, kune betting shop ari readily accessible, ikoko wana Hollywood bets anachi, vanotamba mabhiza, vanotamba machi, vanhu vaita ma-addiction ari strong, and you would feel pity for a lot of people because the way zvaitika ipapa hazvansiri right. So you are always advised kuti munhu kana uchita zvekubheja, do it responsibly, do it wisely, because zvekubheja izvi it's not just a culture yevanhu varombo. Vanhu vane mari vanotoita zvekubheja, kutori nemakasino vachibheja mamiliyoni vachidii. One of the most decorated singer, hip hop singer of all time, Drake, anotoplesa ma-strong bets pana pachirwiwa ana UFC championship ana chi ani chi. Hazvisi zvinhu zvavaromba, hazvisi zvinhu zvavanhu vasina mari, but it's something that you just need to do it responsibly, that you need to do it with some wisdom ne-self-control. Bible rinototaura chitoti the fruit of the spirit, panotaurwa love, patience and chi, and one of the fruits of the spirit is self-control. The same way yaunozvipa self-control panyaya dzemabhebi woti nini handidi kugara ndichingolaza, the same way yaunozvipa self-control kana unaona mari iri pachena yet it's actually kuteyiwa kwauda kuti ubirwe, the same way yaunozvipa self-control pakudya kutoti I need to work on my diets, it's the same way yekuti kana munhu uchita zvekubheja unofanira kuzvipa self-control. And I'm actually doing beijing, ndobheja zingaite, ndobheja paSpin City, ndinotoplesa mabheji angu ipapa, ndichitodii, ndototamba tumagame kandege, ndotamba nadhaladhala, ndotamba tumagames twakasiyana-siyana ipapa, but ndotombowina, but ndotombodyiwa. But the reason why ndisandatengesa mota, kana kutengesa mukadzi, kana kutengesa microwave, kana kutengesa firiji, ndichiti hey, ndinoda kunobheja futi, it's because ndine self-control. And self-control, I find it because I've got the Holy Spirit. Because one of the fruits of the Spirit is self-control. The same way as love is self-control. Kana uda kubheja, ndinokukurudzira kuti bheja responsibly pamasaiti akafanana neana Spin City, register nhasi, woshandisa promo code rangu rinoti zigo, and pese paunoona ngo wakuenderera unondifonera kana unotara neni, kana unongori remember Galatians 5:22 kana sirukanganisa. Beja responsibly. But tozoka pana nyaya ma-addictions. Ma-addictions, they come in weird and subtle ways. You might not know. It really looks funny when achitaura achiti hanzi ndine addiction yema-sweets, ndodya more than 122 sweets per day, and autaura nyaya yema-jelly bums. A lot of ma-jelly bums. Bums anenge ma-jelly beans. Jelly beans. But whether it's a jelly bum or it's a jelly beans, yes, you can be addicted. But a lot of people who drive and they eat it like they are just drinking water. If you want to be addicted, I urge you to be addicted to water, because at least but healthy. Don't be addicted to energy drink. Don't be addicted to alcohol. Don't be addicted to sweet drinks. Don't be addicted to food. Don't be addicted to SADZA. My addictions, work on those things. Be moderate and it try. And vamwe futi are addicted to zvamune muchifunga kuti it's bodybuilding. Motanga kujima every day, mangoswera muri kujim, muchingo build a body, and you don't realize that you are actually harming yourself because too much of something becomes monotonous. The more you know about to addiction, and the more you cannot control yourself. Anything that you cannot control is actually a master to you. Unenge wato a slave to it. And kana chinu chato a master to you, wato mchivi, because you should not be enslaved to anything. Jesus has actually set you free. Don't be enslaved by the yoke of bondage again. Don't be enslaved by alcohol. Don't be enslaved by bodybuilding. Don't be enslaved by food. Don't be enslaved by sex. Don't be enslaved by all those other things. So inini handina addiction yekubheja, asi ndakuenda hangu kumbonobheja mbijana. Even though ndisina addiction. So atinonobheja paSpin City ndopatoitira zvinhu zvese toshandisa promo code rinonzi zigo kana mari bvunzwa, and then badge responsibly.
manje futi ndotozviitira svoto ende futi ndakanakira svoto mukoma zigo vanopisira svoto vachamhanya vachatiza nemumukoto zvimwana
I think Zigo is becoming a good Bible student now. The testimony of Jesus is the spirit of prophecy. That's deep.
Bars on bars on bars. Zigo coming through with the bars. Anyway.
Ladies and gentlemen, company yedu logo Solar Tech. These days we are always busy. Tichijekesa nyika magetsi kumunhu wese. Hanzi let there be light, bringing light to the world. And nasi ndina Mr. Ketch and sikuvaperekedza hangu kwavari kuenda ndiri kuvadeploya ndiri kuvaassaina ndiri kuvaendesa mufield. Mr. Ketch mune team panapa.
Yeah, nasi tine team takananga pakaroi. Pakaroi toda unoita solar system. Tobva taita house wiring and tubing, a full house wiring. It's a 7-roomed house. Tobva tasiya musha wese wane magetsi. Alright, saka munotoitawo mawiring chindaifunga pamwe munongonoshandisa magetsi ari mumba kana pasina magetsi makuti haya mama-electrician. Tinorova wiring katotarisa material yese iri mukati muno ndewiring, sockets, chichichi zvese, malamps, solar acho zvese zviripo. And this is properly packed. Ndoona vanhu vanenge vachiti zvinhu ndakaona zviri muchirori zvichigujurwa zvichidii. Aiwa, tinenge takarongedza so nekombi yedu zvakanyatsosecure. You can see kuti zvese zvakanyatsosecure zvakanaka. Aiwa, nice. Saka tichakuratidzai review the end product anenge waita, but nhasi danongotaura padiki exclusive product service ramakarongera vanhu vemuZimbabwe vane mari, vari pakati nepakati, nevasina mari. Okay. So for beginners, tinowanzotanga something to do with fridge. Solar system inoishandisa fridge, a 3.2 kVA solar system. Inoaffordwa navanhu vakati one day. Yes. But iri a durable something. So this goes for $1,480. And then we go to 5 kVA. But takuenda kuma 5 kVA, anenge ane mamwe ma-products kana kuti mamwe ma-brands ema-system zvichidependa nekuti client ari kuda zvipi. Nekuti umwe anogona kungoti inini I just need some must. Umwe obva ati inini I need day, I need Victron. Tinokwanisa kukuitira any package yaunoda zvichienderana nehomwe yako kuti iwe unozviaffordwa sei. So tinokwanisa kuita ma-packages yayo from 5, 10 achienda ma-packages kusvika to the biggest that you know. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, ma-numbers nofunga maona ndo ari kubuda pa-screen. Uye mukasangana nekombi inoi inonzi Zigo kombi inoi. Haina rimwe zita riripo, munongoona Zigo anenge aripo. Ukasangana nevanhu ava kwaiona uchida masola, wosangana nemota iyi, you are going to get a 2% discount. Ndini ndai-authorizer. Ukangosangana nemota iwo ndoona ndiripo, unopiwa ka-discount kako kakanaka chibva watonyorwa quotation ipapa. Kana nemunhu uri kuzoda masola nyorerwa yo quotation ipapo womhanya, and you actually make a lot of money. Ingori haasi masola chete, pane ma-ball installation, pane ma-CCTV installation nema-accessories and so munozofunga kuti ungosungirira masola chete. There is quite a lot of things that you can get. So abate on the numbers that are showing on the screen and you'll be good to go.